Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to school for this week. And I don't know about you, but those storms last night really kept me awake, and it was very difficult to get up this morning. But it is a beautiful day today. The sky was blue on my way in, and it is going to be an awesome day. Boker Tov, everyone. Today is Monday, April 13th, 2020, and it is the first day of the week, and I know that you guys are going to be happy looking at your teacher's e-class pages to find out what you are working on today. And I don't know if you can tell, but it's a little different. The sound is a little different today, and I want you to see if you can understand or if you can figure out why. We will do that after the Pledge of Allegiance, so please stand by your table, your desk, your chair, in your special spot. Put your hand over your heart, and let's say the Pledge of Allegiance together. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And I'm going to move this around a little bit so that you can start trying to figure out where you think we are today. You probably see some words up on that word wall that you are familiar with, and you might notice some additional things here that look familiar to you. Yes, boys and girls, we are in the gym today. You guys get to come to PE and the gym twice every 9 days usually, so I know that Mrs. Grimes and Coach Penn and Coach Scott are expecting you to do some additional running and playing and exercising. Even though you're not at school, you can still do a lot of that on your own. I think you can do some yoga and some push-ups and sit-ups and jumping jacks and all of those great things I saw on Mrs. Grimes' e-class page. For our birthdays, we have several birthdays today on April the 13th. Nia Petway in Ms. Nayer's class, Casey Thorne in Mrs. Williams' class, and Molly Fitzpatrick in Mrs. Kennedy's class. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to all of our students with birthdays. And I noticed it was Casey Thorne's birthday. She and her family were on TV last week. They were on a news segment because they adopted a dog, and the news did a great story about them. So yay, congratulations to the Thorne family. I hope you are enjoying your new dog. And Casey, I forgot to get the name of your dog. I want to find out what the name of your dog is. And the weather report today, like I said, last night it was crazy with the thundering and lightning and the raining and all of that going on last night. I could not go to sleep, or actually I was asleep and then I woke up to that thunder. It's a low of 44 degrees, a high of 75 degrees, and a chance of rain again of about 20%. So here's our 20%, 0%. 5, 10, 15, 20% of the chance for rain for today. And the word of the day today is this word. I want you to look at this word before I tell you what the word is. Content. There's really two ways of saying this word. This is the reason I found this word to be such a good one for us. It could be content, to be happy, to be satisfied, to be content with something. It could also be content, material or information made available. So I'm very content with the weather today because it's so beautiful outside. And you could also use it, look for your teacher's e-class page for new content today. It's spelled the exact same way, but there's lots of words in the English language that have multiple meanings. So you have to realize, you have to read the rest of the sentence to realize what that word is talking about. Listen to these two sentences. Ready? The kitten was sitting in the sunny window and seemed so happy and content that she fell asleep. Or this one, my teacher uploaded new content to her e-class page, so I can now start working on it for this week. See how those two different ways of using that same word in the sentence. So try to use that word in a sentence in your writing today. Our announcements for today. Again, yearbooks are still on sale. I sent an email last week to parents on how to get to that. Many students have told me that they're doing the pledge every morning. If you would like your parents to go to the Chattahoochee Facebook page and share some pictures of you doing the pledge with me, that would be awesome. I would love to see that. And finally, some jokes. How do you like these jokes? From Ellie. Why did the teddy bear say no to the dessert? Why did the teddy bear say no to the dessert? Because she was stuffed like a teddy bear is stuffed. And this is really appropriate for the weather last night. What is a tornado's favorite game to play? What is the favorite game for a tornado? Twister. Get it? Twister. That is a funny one. Thank you, Ellie, for sending those jokes in. I hope everyone is enjoying themselves today, getting yourself ready to find the assignments on your e-class page. Everyone have a wonderful day. Have an awesome week. I miss you. I hope you all are well. Love to you. See you soon.